Hi guys, good morning. Hope you all are fine. I am super duper fine as we are heading to Punjab and I'm going to meet my family. Mom's all dressed up. I yet to take a shower. So let me go take a shower. I'll see you at the airport. Bye bye bye. This is Vidhi on Totally Tinaa Ghaai. We have hit the airport. Now we are going to go inside and I'll show you the whole trip. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Hi guys, we are right inside the airport. That's my daughter and my hubby. Okay, let's move.
Hi guys, we are at the Mumbai airport. It is so beautiful. Have a look. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey guys, this is the reel box at Mumbai airport. So, I'm not shooting a reel over here. I just wanted to show you how it looks. Take a look at it. I hope you liked it. Guys, we are at the Mumbai airport. So it's so beautiful. Hi guys, we are in the bus right now. Shortly we will be reaching the plane. I am enjoying this trip so much. Are you?
Oh yeah. It's taxing, I think.
Yes.
Oh yeah, started. But we are late. Your flight is delayed.
I know, that's bad.
That's okay.
Amritsar airport. I will be showing you Amritsar's prominent places very soon. First, I'll go to my nanny's house, give her a huge tight hug and spend quality time with her.
Hi guys, we have reached Amritsar airport.
And we will be showing you the prominent places of Amritsar very soon.
But let's go home first, meet my mama and her nani ma and give her a warm squishy hug.
I really want to do that.
Alright guys, see you later, rather see you shortly.